Take this as your sign to visit one of Europe's best-kept secrets, the Faroe Islands. Nestled between Iceland and Norway, these islands offer an adventure like no other. First stop, Malavosur Waterfall, framed by cliffs and a charming village. It spills majestically into the ocean. Next, get up close with the adorable Atlantic puffins. The Faroe Islands are a birdwatcher's paradise, home to thousands of puffins who nest here during the summer. And don't forget to taste the local flavors. Faroese cuisine is as unique as the landscape, with fresh seafood and traditional dishes that tell the story of island life. From surreal landscapes to rich traditions, the Faroe Islands are calling. So, are you ready for your next adventure? Be sure to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration, and let us know in the comments which place you're most excited to visit.